This AI tool will create your digital ads for Facebook, for Instagram, for Google in less than 60 seconds. It's amazing. Before we jump into the demo, you know what to do. Subscribe, hit the bell icon, and also like this video. So let's jump right into this. The tool is called Balloonary, and the AI will create digital ads for you in seconds. Three-step process. AI will generate the ads, and by the way, you can customize those ads. You don't have to just use what AI creates. And then another cool thing I didn't mention earlier, this tool not just helps you in generation of the ads, you can also launch ads. So you can connect Balloonary with your Facebook platform or with your Google platform and actually launch the ads too. Super awesome. Here's you go. It supports Facebook, Google, LinkedIn, and Instagram. Let's look at the pricing. And by the way, yes, I am an affiliate for Balloonary. You do not have to pay monthly. I'm going to have a link in the description. Click on that link and you can grab the lifetime deal. One payment, never pay monthly. Let me show you the magic of this tool. I'm logged into my account and let's just take an example. So let's say here's a tool, or here's a TV, not a tool, a TV that I want to promote. I want to create an ad for this TV. So what I'm going to do is just copy the URL of this page. That's all you need to do. Just put the URL of the page inside Balloonary and the tool will do the magic. Let's click on new campaign. Here is the website URL. And this could be anything. This could be website linked to your website. This could be a product page like I did. If you have different landing pages, it could be that. And then here you go. So it detects the name of the business. That's the name of the business. It also describes the business or based on the landing page. So make sure you read that because this is the input it's going to take to create the digital ad. So let's confirm this. And now which platform you want to create ads for. So Google, Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn. Let's go for Instagram. And then give it a few seconds, depending on the speed of your internet, it's going to take a few seconds. And then the AI will generate suggestions for you. So like I mentioned earlier, you can use the suggestion that this tool gives you, or you can also customize it. You can also use your own images. You can upload images. It's going to detect some images from your website. You can also use images from stock-free websites. So few seconds and then we'll be able to see what type of ads Balloonary created for this landing page. And again, the only input was the landing page link. So here you go. So now the ad is ready. Instagram ad, content, targeting, and finding. So first of all, click here, pick a message. So when you click here, it's going to display all these AI suggestions. This is awesome. This is like saving so much time because we create Facebook ads or Instagram ads for a lot of different clients. And every time we create an ad, we spend a lot of time crafting the copy, crafting the hook. So with the help of this, it's really helpful because it gives us something to start, something to work with. So let's go with, you can also customize this if you want, but I'm gonna go with that message and then click right here on the design. So it gave you the AI, gave you the message, and AI also gonna give you the design. So when you click on this, sometimes it detects websites, images from your websites, and here are some suggestions from the AI. Look at that, this is awesome. I actually like that one. So I'm gonna select that, and then you can crop your image. There you go, I think I like that too because that's a really cool TV. And then hit next. And now here you go, you can pick a layout. You can use image only. You can have an image and the text, image, text, and the logo. I'm gonna go with image and text. Then hit next. And then your ad, so this is kind of like your punchline, the thing that you wanna put on the text. So click here and then select any of these AI suggestions. So then use this design. It's amazing how awesome. And by the way, if you wanted to kind of upload some images, you can always customize this. For now, I'm gonna just go with this one. Let's go back. Once your ad is done, the design and the copy, scroll down and then location, where do you want to target? So obviously this business sells stuff in the United States, so that's what our targeting is gonna be. Interest, another cool thing is it will recommend you different interests that you can use. And also you can search here and then it will find some more interest for you. There you go. You can do that. demographics, what type of age range you want to target. So let's 20, actually 45 is for this business. Set your budget, USD, whatever budget you want to be, monthly or one-off campaign. So if you want to do one-off campaign, let's say you want to do 7-day campaign and spend $100. So you can make all kinds of adjustments. It gives you roughly forecast how many impressions and how many clicks you're gonna get. And by the way, ask an expert. I haven't used this feature, but you can also have Balloonary experts take a look at your ads and give you some suggestions. So you can click on that. And then when you're done with everything, make sure you review it. And then all you have to do is make a payment and your ad will be launched. That's it. This tool is gonna save you so much time and creates all the amazing ads with the help of AI for your business. Any questions, let me know. And by the way, the link is gonna be in the description below. Go get the lifetime deal. You don't have to pay monthly. I'll see you next time. Bye for now.